Hi, my name is JoJo and I'm the owner of Undreamt. We sell clothing like this, affordable, trendy clothing for young women. And in this video, I just want to show you how I pack and ship the orders. I will be including all the supplies that I use and the cost of everything. So I'm gonna keep it real. My desk is a hot mess right now, so I'm gonna ship the orders in my living room and not on my desk. So obviously I'm gonna use my laptop, but besides that, I have some thank you cards, logo, some information, a little QR code, and then I have my Zebra thermal label printer. I actually would not recommend this one because when I purchased it, I didn't realize that it wasn't wireless. So every time I need to print something out, I have to plug it into my laptop, and that's pretty annoying. And it is kind of ugly, but that doesn't matter. But I do wish that I got the Dymo. I'll probably get a Dymo label printer soon. And then, oh yeah, and the cost of that was $105 versus the Dymo. It does cost like $280, I think, to $300. All right, and then next I have my shipping scale. This was, I think, from like Walmart. This was less than $20. I think it's 17 something. I have some tissue paper using my brand colors, which is pink and black. So I got these pink ones from Dollar Tree. I'm gonna have to buy these in bulk because it's kind of a waste of money buying it for $1 for 10. And no, I'm not cheap, but when you own a business, you have to think about every single cent that you're spending. That's Next, I have some custom-made stickers. They say Undreamt, my logo with the little moon and the stars. Then I have the stickers with just the moon and the stars. I cannot tell you how much these cost because I got them for free $99. I got the plug. So I don't know how much it might cost you to print it. I know a lot of people use like Vistaprint, I think, for stickers. Anyway, sorry, I cannot touch on the cost of these. And then next I just have my poly mailer. I really like these because they really resonate with my brand. They have the little stars. They're pink. Looks like the galaxy. Yeah. So I'm gonna start with this top. It's already in a poly bag. Let me press all the air out. First, I'm gonna wrap it in some cute pink tissue paper. Now, I don't always wrap in tissue paper. If they order a bunch of items, I'm not gonna individually wrap a bunch. So if it's like one or two, then I'll go ahead and wrap it, or if I have the time, then I'll wrap it. I do try to wrap it most of the time though. So I'm gonna start with 2 sheets of tissue paper. I'm gonna create a little pocket right here. A little crease, because I will be sticking my thank you flyers right there. I'll place the item. Going to tape it. This is some like kindergarten stuff. All right. But you know, some people might want to watch this. I know I like watching videos of people packaging stuff. I love packing orders. I still do. Maybe I think one day I'm gonna get over it, but as of right now, I really love doing it. It's funny because I used to work at a place where it's like a freaking sweatshop, and I used to be in shipping, and I hated packing orders because I was making money for somebody else. But this, when I'm packaging orders, I know it's for me and my bank account, so I'm happy with that. Okay, so it's all wrapped up. As you can see, I got that little pocket right here. So in goes my thank you card. I just flip it over right here to the thank you side. And then some stickers. I use the logo. And I put it right here. Doesn't that look pretty? All right. And then I just stick it inside my poly mailer. Don't ask me if this stays, because I don't know. I don't know if it's gonna fall out or not. Maybe one day I'll ask a customer if the card was actually inside. But so then I stick it in here. And then you go ahead and seal it. I like to use another sticker. And then I like to put another one of my logo, like right in the middle. Okay. And then I did leave a little bit of room for the actual shipping label. So next we're going to weigh the item. Let's turn on the scale. Get this weighed. I can kind of tell how much it weighs. I'm gonna guess. Let's see. I say this weighs 5 ounces. All right, 6.3. All right, 6.3 ounces. Let's round it up to 7 ounces. Like I said, I don't really recommend this old school label printer because you do have to plug it in, and I don't like that. But it does the job. All right, so for me, I do. So for me, I do use Shopify, and I do get a discount on shipping costs. But for educational purposes, let me just show you how much it costs, like in general. Like, let me go on this pirate ship and tell you how much it would cost. Okay, so this customer is from El Paso, Texas, and I'm based in Orange County, California. So the cost for a 7-ounce package, according to Pirate Ship, it says it's gonna cost $3.31. It'll arrive in 1 to 3 days. I like to go like a level higher. It's not showing on here, but on my Shopify, it costs like $1 something more to mail it. So it would be like $4 something. And that would actually include a tracking number. And I always use that one because you need a tracking number and your customer needs a tracking number, so the package doesn't get lost. All right, let me print this out. Don't look at the address. All right, so now that our label is printed, this is a thermal printer and it doesn't use ink, so that's really great. And the stickers are really convenient. So I'm just gonna stick it on wherever it fits, and I'll put it right here. Cover up that address, sorry. All right. All right, so that's how I pack and ship the orders. If you guys want to check out our website, it's shopundreamt.com. Thank you.